Good afternoon, traders. And now this is very shocking that some traders are buying the courses, some are drawing their technical analysis, and some are drawing the technical lines on their charts, like spending all the day like this, and some are working on the different concepts, some are working on the chart patterns, some are working on the liquidity. And some are working on different concepts like moving average, blah, blah, blah. There is a lot of stuff in the market and you will be blown, your mind will be blown, because if you go to your indicator section, there are thousands of indicators available on TradingView. So how you know that which indicator is going to work? The simple answer is, if you are going to the indicator section and working for the indicators only, they are not going to work until unless you are not going to follow them with a particular strategy. Okay, now if you ask me, this is my best indicator, that is called the failed liquidity scalper, because I have spent 3 years on developing this indicator and this is the masterpiece. Okay, this is the masterpiece. Don't think that this is the sell signal, and don't think like this that this is the buy signal. This is not, this is crap. Like, if you think like this is completely crap, because my indicator does not work like this, and my indicator has a accuracy of almost 90% if you are going to follow it with the proper logic. Okay, now what is the name? Just look at this: failed liquidity scalper. So it's not a buy and sell signal. This is basically telling you that this is the gold 3-minute chart. So this is the low of the signal candle. If we mark that one, okay, with the line, let's go with the line. For example, this signal comes on the low of that candle. Okay, now what happened? Look at this candle. This candle closes below the low of the signal candle. So what to do? It means that the liquidity is failed. Now you are needed to take a sell position. This is not a buy position, this is actually a sell position. Okay, let me show you with example. Okay, so for example, you will take a trade from here. Your stop loss will remain only 3 candles maximum, and then you are targeting something like this. And if you just look at this trade, this has already given you 1.25 trading ratio here. Okay, we will never buy somewhere at the top. We will be looking to, like, for example, if I go to some other chart, I can show you. Okay, so for example, where the trend getting changed. Okay, for example, look at this one. Here the trend get changed, we can buy that one, buy low and sell at high. For example, look at this, the price was at a high. Okay, now this is the liquidity failure that was already happened here in a proper way like this, and then you can go for the sell. If you like, if this is the consolidation, if you have not traded from here, then we have the another liquidity failure here. You can see this candle closes, I'm talking about this red candle, this candle closes below the low of the signal candle. Then just look at this, what happened to the market. This works on every chart like a magic. Look at this one. My indicator told you that this is the liquidity failure that was happened with the bullish candle, and then see the big ride. This is the big ride. Okay, so mostly if you are trading the 3-minute, you can go for scalping. So for example, if you are using 15-minute, let's go to the gold right now. Okay, so just look at this. My indicator has told you to sell gold when the price breaks the low of that signal candle, and it was the time to sell exactly from here. This is the sell signal. Don't go for the green arrows, that these green arrows are for the buy. No, they are not buy. This means that on my indicator, the liquidity is failed, time to sell. And just look at this. Even today, if you are trading on my with my indicator gold, you can see the price simply went down after the liquidity failure. Now go to any chart, see the performance. This is the magical indicator that I have developed, and this is never developed before in the history. You can see the liquidity failures are coming. What's happening? The price is going down. Okay, so why are you looking for the charts? Why are you looking for the chart patterns? Why are you buying the courses when you have such type of accurate indicator available in the market? It's not for everyone. Those who can afford, it will be provided only to them. Look at this. This is the liquidity failure with the bullish candle. You need to enter because the banks wants to take the price into the upward side, and now you can see the price is way up. Go to any other chart, look at this. This is the liquidity failure that happened here. Look at this. Just look at this one. This is the liquidity failure. What happened? The price is down. Okay, so go back, go back. This is your AUD. I'm not cherry picking any charts. You can see this is the downfall after the liquidity failure. Okay, let's go to the other chart. AUDJPY. Okay, so what happened here? Just tell me what happened here. This is the liquidity failure. When the price breaks above the red signal high, what happened? The price went up. So what's wrong? This does not repaint. Let me show you. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame and tell me, is there any repainting? Even on 1 minute on gold, it has told you that the liquidity failure is happened on this proper bearish candle. And what happened? The price is down. And even it told you here that the price wants to go down. Let me show you more on 1 minute. Let me show you everything. Okay, so those who think that the repainting, so what do you think? This indicator repaints? This is out of the question, that there is no repainting. I can show you its real signals. Look at this. There is no repainting. You can see. Okay, you can see it was the red arrow. You can see the price breaks above, it went up. Okay, let me show you more. There is no repainting in that indicator one. Okay, now just look at this. This is okay for this is the signal. So just show me that is this signal is getting disappeared or going anywhere. No, it once it show the signal, it does not go anywhere. Like this is the random chart AUD CAD. What happened? The price breaks above the high of the signal candle. So what happened? You can see the price simply went up. Okay, now just look at this signal and tell me, can you find any kind of repainting and changing and disappearing in that indicator? There is nothing like this. I will wait for the next 8 seconds to close off this candle, because this is the 1 minute chart, and then show me where is the repainting. There is no repainting in that indicator. This indicator is based on the price action liquidity, and we have worked on the failed liquidity. Let me show you more if I can find any live signal. Okay, now you can see if this is a repainting, then what happened? Look at this. What happens? The price has given the close below the signal candle, so it means that this is the sell. This, and our stop loss is only 3 bullish candle in that case. Look, this is the live market that I am sharing with you. Just look at this. Look at this. This should be just this should go down actually. Okay, because it is telling you the price has given you given the close below the signal candle, so it's a sell. Okay, so like if you actually the problem is people and traders who are in the trading community, they have never seen such the indicator in their whole trading history, and they think that, okay, let me show you the stop loss case. Okay, let me show you. Look, after how many charts we are having the stop loss, just imagine. Look, the price closes below the signal candle after 3 candles here, 3 bullish candles, 1, 2, and 3. This is your stop loss maximum, because if the signal has not worked, the 3 candles against you is your stop loss. Okay, now let me show you the Bitcoin 3 minute. Let me show you. Okay, so what's going on? If you just look at here, what happened here? This is the liquidity failure. This is the high. The price breaks the high. You can see how Bitcoin went up. Okay, even let me show you its most recent signal. Okay, just look at this. The price breaks above the high of that one, and then see the move on the upward side. So please understand, I am not wasting your time. Okay, actually you are wasting your time yourself. Okay, the stop loss is very okay. Look at this, very close. Look at this USDJPY. The price has given a close above that one. Okay, now I would not prefer to buy because the price is already up. But what is the best buying? The best buying stands here when the price breaks above here. It was the good time to enter into the buy position. So that's why I'm saying that you can even get more than 90% accuracy if you're going with the stop loss. Look at this with buying low and selling high. Look at this. Now the price is already high. You can see from here to here there is an upward move, and that's the liquidity failure on that bearish candle on 15 minutes. See the down mode. So please understand that this indicator is not a joke, and please don't joke with yourself as well, because finding the indicators all day from the TradingView, watching the different lectures, trying the different indicators, they are not going to help you in that regard, because until unless you don't get anything from the person who has actually developed that one, and he knows very well about the price action, liquidity, and all concepts, then it can be a good setup. Otherwise they are not going to help you. Okay, at last, right now this indicator is on a 50% discount, and that's available on our TradingView at the 15 on Telegram at a 50% discount. And if you're serious about your trading, you can join our Telegram channel, and you can see its live performance. And I also share the results with my students, that how this indicator has performed today with the different setups. And if you want to get the lifetime access of this powerful indicator, you can contact through Telegram, you can contact through email. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.